present here and connected through the VC, and my esteemed customers to whom we are grateful because you have come at a very short notice for this meeting, as also my colleagues, CGMs, GMs, TGMs, AGMs, those who have come. This is the first time we are launching a MSME product calling a large good number of customers. The reason is that wherever we meet people, wherever we meet our customers, SME customers, I also get a feel that although, as all of us said and all of us know, that for the economy, for the bank, for everything, MSME is the most important sector for the future. As our CGM CB said, that these are the ones which will grow to a big unit, to the future IITs. But possibly they don't get the adequate amount of respect, regard and weightage which a big customer gets. And that is a overall problem in the entire banking sector, or maybe with us also. So what we thought that when we are launching a new scheme, it is better we call a few of the customers who are our customers here. And also the purpose is that all our zones are connected to the VC to drive home the point that this is the same thing they will do in their individual zones. That means wherever we are present, we have got 17 zones. So all these 17 zones, maybe within another 2-3 days, they will call important SME customers and launch these products on behalf of the bank and make them feel that they are very important for the bank. This is the purpose of calling you here. And the second purpose could be is that SME customers are very large in number, and it is very difficult to reach them by us. Although we have got a large number of branches, but still it's difficult to go to each of the customers. And you, those who are happy customers of, I presume that you are all happy, and you are our ambassadors who will tell your friends and others in the colleagues in your industry level, your industry associations, you will tell that here is a bank who generally take care of us and give us certain benefits. The benefits are told by our CGMs that we are giving lower interest rate, no processing charges, trying to do as fastest delivery possible, so that we hope that you will tell it to your own friends and colleagues and peers and industry associations. In the process, when you grow and get the adequate respect from the bank and support, we will be also able to grow quite well among the public sector banks in India with the help of all of you. Incidentally, let me tell you that State Bank of Hyderabad has a total turnover of around 240 crore and a total profit of around 1300 crores in the last year. And you will be very happy to know that in two most important parameters, which is called the return on equity and the return on asset, State Bank of Hyderabad stand number 1 among all the public sector banks in India, which is not a mean achievement considering that you have got very well-known names in the banking circles. But still in front of them, we being a little smaller than the bigger banks, still we could achieve it. It is only because of the blessings and good wishes of our customers. In all segments of our customers, we are trying to develop this, and SME being our most important, because for the country it is most important, because for the growth of ours it is most important. So we called you and tried to tell you that you are very important. Take business, give us business, make this bank bigger, better, and with that we'll grow together. Today, as you all know, the economy is not in very good shape. Whatever comes in the political statements and in the parliament and in the newspaper, the fact is that the good days, or the Achhe Din, has not really touched the industry per se. As a result, what has happened, the big industries, when they are not doing well, all their suppliers suffer a problem. In fact, that is the effect we are facing today, that our non-performing asset in SME sector is increasing. That is because the supplier, many of you might be supplying to big companies And many of you might have faced that the big companies are not paying in time. And when they are paying, they are trying to put all kinds of conditions and cuttings in the bills and such other thing to avoid their financial responsibility. In this situation today, for many of the SSI units, the requirement of a restructuring is very, very important. And we are very much aware of it, and we have told all our networks and the zonal managers and all that for all SSI units, the restructuring should be considered very, very sympathetically. To tell you very frankly, I have attended a meeting of MSME which was attended by Mr. Kalraj Misra, the minister, and he said that as per the data government has got, the restructuring in MSME sector is absolutely next to nil. It is virtually not there compared to the number. It is very, very small. But that should not be. Possibly the restructuring is required more for the small scale industries rather than all big industries. For the big ones, we are trying to do whatever we can. For the small industries, maybe we are not that sympathetic. We wanted to tell everybody that we are, and in case you need any support, you need any benefit, do come to us. In the internet, you can give your, even if you do not want to put it to your bank, in the internet, you please put your complaint, and our MSME department in head office is very, very active, and then they will give a reply. If your problem you feel is really very, very acute and you need immediate resolution, you can meet our MSME department and tell your problem, and I can assure you that we will take care of your problems. With this, I would like to end, and then maybe of our esteemed customer, if you have got any points to make, then we will be very happy to maybe respond to you, or if we cannot respond to all your points, then we'll take it back home and then give you the reply maybe going forward. Thank you. Thank you everybody.